This video will show how to change your IdentiKey password using IdentiKey Manager. Go to the IdentiKey Manager website, identikey.colorado.edu, and select Change My Password. You'll be prompted to log in to CU Boulder's Federated Identity Service using your CU login name and current IdentiKey password. Please note, you may be prompted by Duo if you're enrolled in multi-factor authentication. If it's been a while since you last changed your password, you may be prompted to activate your IdentiKey in order to set new security questions. We have another video about this process as well as a tutorial on our website. If you're not prompted to activate your IdentiKey, you'll now be able to set a new password for your IdentiKey following the requirements listed on the page. IdentiKey Manager will automatically alert you if your password does not meet security requirements. Click Change Password to save the updated IdentiKey password. You'll get a confirmation message that your password has been changed. Click Sign Out to exit the IdentiKey Manager. If you're unable to use IdentiKey Manager, or if you have other concerns, contact the IT Service Center at 303-735-4357 or email oithelp@colorado.edu.